Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have recently discovered the ASMR TikTok restock videos and I have become obsessed, so I thought it would be fun to share one here on my channel. I don't really know why I love them so much because I don't really like other ASMR videos, but these ones are just so fun. So I had to restock in my fridge, pantry, laundry area, and toiletries, and I'm going to bring you guys along with me while I do that. I'd love for you to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy this type of content and leave me a comment down below and let me know what your favorite TikTok videos are. But hopefully this gives you a ton of restocking motivation in case you need to get things done around your home. Okay, is there anything better than having your entire house stocked up at the same time? I don't know about you, but I feel like this rarely happens for me, but it was just so satisfying to know that all of our toiletries, laundry products, our pantry, and our fridge, all of it was completely stocked up and ready to go for the week. This was such a fun video to create, and I hope that it was one that you were able to enjoy and that was able to motivate you to get something done around your home that maybe you've been putting off for just a little bit too long. If you did enjoy this video, please let me know down in the comments. I would love to turn this into a series here on my channel, maybe once a month, just to share some fun and interesting and new content with you. But thank you all so much for watching today and hanging out with me. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. Subscribe if you aren't already so that you don't miss any of my future uploads, and I will see you guys in the next one.